What are we getting into today, buddy? What are we getting into today? Let's show them. Alright, I've been needing to do this for a while, and you can tell this is my crawl space door. I have one on the other side over here, which is good. This one, I think somebody kind of knocked out the cinder blocks, which is fine. It's very small, but I need to enclose it and do it right so I can keep, you know, whatever out of there, mice, snakes, whatever. So I appreciate y'all guys tuning into the video, and we'll get right to it. I don't know if you can see, there's Woody, but I haven't finished the fence yet, so stay tuned for that. See his tail right there?
Yeah, I see his body.
Hold on one second, hold on. Let me get a, because I'm scared he's gonna, here, squeeze him, let me see how, oh, you're gonna have to get it right at the end. Should I get a rake? Or you think this will hold him?
You could probably hold him down with the shovel. I don't know how we're both gonna get in there.
See? That's what I was, oh, you got it. Oh, yeah. That's a big boy. Yep. Yeah, he was sitting right here. I mean,
how do I expect somebody to get through there?
I don't know. Right when I opened it up, he was right there. Isn't that funny? It's still recording. All right, we got those in. Let's dig this thing down a little bit. All right, let's take a measurement. What we got here? 2 foot's good. 2 foot. 2 by 20. 2 foot by 20. Take this. Straight edge. That. All right, let's cut this puppy. Bada bing, bada boom right there. That's it. Yeah, let's go like right there. But let's shake this off a little bit. So there it is. It's not perfect. I'm trying to get rid of some of this spray paint I have. So I'm gonna repaint this with the white, but I don't really care at the moment. So, well, this thing don't even look like it works. It's still so old. Well, I got rid of one can, so that's good. That's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys watching. Man, I'm nervous about looking back when I first saw it. I hope y'all saw that. When I first opened this up, that snake was literally right there. And I had just been saying I need to keep mice and snakes out, and man, that's crazy. I hope y'all saw it. I mean, he's a pretty good rat snake, and they're good. They kill the bad ones. They keep the mice out and stuff like that. I just don't want them under the house, you know, but those are good snakes, and I wasn't going to kill it. But I'm glad we have them around here. I live on about 5 acres, so like I said, they're good to have around. I know this isn't perfect, and I'm not looking for perfect. This is on the side of the house where nobody can see, and this is just another access. I have a bigger access, and this is really small, but I was thinking, well, I could concrete it up, you know, put some blocks and mortar and make it look like there was never a hole here. But I was thinking our bathroom's right here, so if we do have, oh, sorry. I was thinking if we do have, sorry. So I was thinking if we do have, you know, a plumbing leak or something that somebody needs to get in through here, you know, it's always good to have 2 access, because one's on this side and one's on the back, but it's more on the other side of the house, so that's good. Like I said, I just had some old paint and I sprayed it just to kind of, because that wood's gonna suck up that white, and it's kind of like a base coat, and like I said, it ain't perfect. And but hopefully you like this video. I think I'm gonna put some rock here for some drainage, kind of clean it up, stuff like that. But I need to get the fence done. I need to paint that shed. But if you do like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate everybody that watches, I really do. I don't do this to make money. I just do it because I like, you know, just as a hobby. It's fun. So, and it gets me motivated to do stuff out in the yard and, you know, try to get some stuff done. But anyway, I appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.